Hey everyone, welcome back to your channel name. If you're looking to add a touch of green to your home but don't know where to start, you're in the right place. Today we'll be exploring some of the easiest plants to grow at home, perfect for beginners or anyone looking to brighten their space. Let's get started. First up, we have the amazing Pothos. This hardy plant is known for its beautiful trailing vines and heart-shaped leaves. It's incredibly forgiving, making it perfect for beginners. Care tips. Pothos can thrive in low light, but it prefers bright, indirect sunlight. Water it when the top inch of soil feels dry and watch it flourish. You can even propagate it easily in water. Just cut a few inches from the vine, place it in water, and let it grow roots. Next, we have the spider plant. This one is not only easy to care for, but it also purifies the air in your home. Plus, it's fun to watch as it produces little baby plants or pups that can be propagated. Care tips. Spider plants prefer bright, indirect sunlight but can tolerate low light. Water them thoroughly, allowing the soil to dry out between waterings. They're pretty resilient and can handle a bit of neglect. Now let's talk about the snake plant, also known as mother-in-law's tongue. This plant is famous for its striking upright leaves and is nearly indestructible. Care tips. Snake plants thrive in a variety of conditions, from low light to bright light. They require minimal watering, only when the soil is completely dry. This makes them perfect for busy people. Who doesn't love fresh herbs? Growing herbs at home is not only easy but also super rewarding. Basil, mint, and rosemary are great choices. Care tips. These herbs prefer plenty of sunlight, so place them on a sunny windowsill. Keep the soil moist but not soggy, and you'll have fresh herbs ready for your meals in no time. Plus, you can easily grow them in small pots or even water bottles. Let's not forget about the ZZ plant. This trendy houseplant has shiny, dark green leaves and can tolerate neglect, making it an excellent choice for beginners. Care tips. The ZZ plant prefers bright, indirect light but can survive in low light as well. Water it infrequently. It's better to underwater than overwater. They're great for adding a modern touch to your decor. So there you have it. These easy-to-grow plants can bring life and color to your home without a lot of fuss. Whether you're a complete beginner or just looking for low-maintenance options, these plants are sure to thrive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to your channel name, and let me know in the comments which plant you're excited to try. Until next time, happy gardening!